told me to do and it's still not working.
Let me show you. OK, flat arm, loose wrist, pull back.
That's what I did.
Huh?
Wait, what's this?
I thought I'd read every page of my dad's journal, but I never saw that before.
That's a big fish. A really big fish. Wow!
The biggest fish I've ever seen!
What was that?
It's the same fish as the one in the drawing, and it's right here in this lake.
Maybe fishing isn't such a good idea after all. Hey, let's ask Jeremy Fisher about it. He knows everything about the lake.
Mr. Fisher, Mr. Fisher!
Mr. Fisher!
Ah, Peter, Lily, Benjamin. Florence. What brings you to these parts? No, that fish is the reason why I don't go far out on the lake anymore.
Who is he?
The meanest, strongest, nastiest fish of all. No one has ever come close to catching him. Except,
Oh, no, you don't.
Yes, Mr. Fisher. No one except...
Where was I? Oh, yes. No one except your father, Peter. One day he was out fishing and he came face to face with... Oh, no, I can't say his name.
Please, Mr. Fisher,
Tell us.
Jack Sharp. The fish is called Jack Sharp. There, I've said it.
So what happened? How come this Jack Sharp is still in the lake?
Your father was determined to catch him. He cast his line, pulled to the right, then the left, then right again. Suddenly he lost his footing, but so big was Jack that he was too much even for a great adventurer like your father to reel in.
And?
I went for help, but when I returned, Jack Sharp was gone. And your father never spoke of the great fish again. And from that day, I called Jack Sharp the one that got away.
Can I borrow your fishing rod, please, Mr. Fisher? Maybe Jack Sharp is asleep or something.
What are you gonna do now?
Go day and night, go for